Hi guys, great day. Welcome to my channel again and welcome to Pearl TV. So in this video guys, ayun, i-share ko lamang sa inyo is telling the story of Jesus series, okay? So this book guys, I bought this way back 12 years, okay? So wala pa akong anak, binili ko na to kasi dati may mga chinututoran akong bata dito. Tapos sabi ko, pag yan, sinisingit-singit ko yung pag-share ng mga Bible stories sa mga kids. Kaya, eto, nung lumaki na si Shasha, tapos nangalkal ako, sabi ko, ay, may mga book pala ako na ganito. Ito, binili ko to pala sa National Bookstore before. This cost, naka-sale to eh. Naka-sale to, hindi to, ayun, mura lang yan. Siguro ko nabili ko lang to ng mga 40 pesos noon. Ayun, magkano ba bili ko nito? Ayun, ang mahal niya nga, pag hindi siya nakasale, 310 siya pag hindi siya nakasale. Pero hindi ko, feeling ko nabili ko lang to mga 50 pesos. Okay, so today, I'm going to share your story. Okay, what story do I need to share? Okay. The story is Joseph and his brother. Okay. So, I have shared the story of this already to my daughter, Shasha. And, alam na ni Shasha ito. And today, I would love to share this story to you guys. Okay? When we harm someone, we fail to respect life. Yes, tama. Find out how Joseph's brother showed disregard and disrespect for God's gift of life to Joseph, okay? Joseph and his brother. Okay, what is the summary of the story, guys? Hindi ko na sa inyo, guys, babas. Alam ko na kasi to. Paulit-ulit ko na lang tong So, alam ko na yung story nito, okay? The story of this is, si Joseph, yung paboritong anak ni Jacob, okay? Kasi, mga Filipino tayo, and of course, you would love to hear me speaking in Filipino, and I would love to teach, okay, and share the story in Filipino as well, okay. So, anong story yan nito ay yung anak na paborito ni Jacob, na si Joseph, okay. Joseph was Jacob's favorite son. Dahil paborito nga ni Jacob si Joseph, etong si Joseph ay lagi niyang binibigyan ng mga something na matutuwa itong si Joseph, okay. Sabi dito, when his brother saw that Jacob loved him best, they hated him and did not speak to him, okay? Nang nakita daw ng mga kapatid ni Joseph, na paborito ito si Joseph ng kanilang tatay na si Jacob, nagalit sila, okay? And dahil nagalit, nainggit, they planned, and they planted a trick, okay? Ganon. Para itong si Joseph ay alisin sa kanilang dinaraanan. What do I mean? Alisin sa bahay nila, okay? One day, one time Joseph dreamed that his brothers bowed before him. Okay? Napanaginipan daw na parang sinasamba ng mga kapatid niya si Joseph. Tapos, kwento niya yun. And they got angrier, nanggalit. Sabi, isipin nila, bakit sino ka ba para ibaw namin, 'di ba? Tapos,